Adiam from an boy, Adiam from an boy. Aye. There is a trending news going on between SHATTA WALE and the Godfather and a Scammers Association in Ghana. How we be a bonyo so I didn't know I'm fancy now. So it is very simple. FBI is in Ghana arresting scammers and fraudsters and whatever. And some of those be. Now the reason why SHATTA WALE is being dragged in, I'm fancy and you won't subscribe to our platform on YouTube, Camera Studios, because I am the favorite and the youngest content creator you could ever find on the social media space. Clicking and always passing on your screens. Now let me take you through the story. Hajia for you since really yo TTI. Since they say you really see a hajia for real from prisons United States, I mean USA, Abusia, people are trending because Uncle say hajia for real couple body bi wo FBI since a channel no ebia omotima interrogation bi ayi investigation bi ama hajia for real body na associated with fraud online. Now this fraudster and frauding is saying there is a love scam. I love fraudster scam on the social media space. I'm just say KOFI boats SHATTA WALE ne Godfather abusuya 100 million USD, 100 million US dollars. Ni skakatoa watumi atimi ayusu this love scam na that omo posti maya no na say I'm in love, I'm in why I need na say 100 million watun ko for di basa. So what I say, and then people are saying say there be Jeffrey and also same reason they chain for love scam this animal same thing they chain unti they releasing it there. Na say one mum na ko bonko for din amazisi ya ya KOFI boat ni daddy why. Now the reason why SHATTA WALE is associated to this matter, and say people are dragging SM online. They say SM say the Godfather and KOFI boat, and I give me beja. Every boy, every leg on girl knows say I be dope.
If I be a boy, you gon' love me every day. We go play, we go do it every day. Ask KOFI boat, hey, salty no.
KOFI boat, yeah. So monko tie beja. Most of boni diwom.
We go do it every day. Ask KOFI boat. Hey, salty no.
So people are saying say there be Godfather. What you say one day Godfather there. Then he has shown you the way. And people are linking SHATTA WALE any money. When you're in the music industry need to this love and fraudster scam. And people are also saying if you got on where it's legal to Tazako Valley Hobabino. Any ne Lamborghini, any cars, what any Benz, and any Rolls Royce, no. They are associating these things to this love fraud scam. Online. No. People are saying say there be so KOFI boat you can want there. He is your Godfather and he has shown you the way. So your money is not music money. I didn't from my neighbor, I didn't from my neighbor. Yeah, I'm on for dance of a pay. People I didn't from my neighbor. Hey, Ghana, somebody gave money. Where in Godfather is being arrested. Where they talk say you love and scam this thing. You they won't put SM way there for inside. You won't put them for the matter inside. And this SHATTA WALE, when SHATTA WALE heard about the news now, he said, Ghanaians go talk about him. Because if you in Godfather with them arrest them. And he said, oh yeah, fast no yeah video about one thing. And this is what he said.
But my many of you for Ghana, your mother crowd. But my your mother say you probably watch me my life. And if you say, because any year when you come Ghana now, I think Nana Pia, they call Nana Pia in things, SHATTA they go do bad man. See you people, you just make mistake for SHATTA WALE. I be too clean boy. Where are they? I see ya because you're artists and things they follow your favorite, the industry favorite. And then if you pull up the things that they pull up. So SHATTA WALE there, they do fraud. Your mother, make it top post and they do fraud. You see, and you see that one thing people make mistake. You see the white people when they enter this country, they research you. They not be stupid people. Yeah, no, my Rolls Royce. This is my Rolls Royce. They research out. They see how money come. It's probably music money. It's music money. If you don't know, come make we show you. It not be fraud. It be hard work and dedication, my nigga. Don't even make a mistake. Don't even make a mistake and see SHATTA WALE like, mama, I go fish SHATTA like fraud boy. I go fish SHATTA like gangster. I go fish SHATTA like anything. But when you make mistake, I go create app for you, make you drive am shaxi.
So Shatta Wale is warning all of you guys who are those of you who are saying say Shatta Wale is associated to Kofi Boat Love and one scam this thing over $100 million. You know, don't mention his name because Ghana for no more person Shatta Wale just a show boy buy no person yes another musician Sandy Kutu. Now this is trending online and Kofi Boat and Co. And Shatta Wale is also placed in the news saying Shatta Wale and his godfather has been linked to 100 million scam this thing. Now Shatta Wale has come out to clarify the matter, saying he is not part, so you shouldn't be saying his name when you're talking about this matter. And so you guys should be careful when talking about this matter. You shouldn't include Shatta Wale in name into this matter because your man doesn't like what is trending online. He was asleep. He wake up, he saw the news and he saying this matter there, you shouldn't include my name. If my godfather will them arrest him, why you should mention my name? This is what is trending online, and I must bring it to your concern. I must bring it to you for you guys to know that this is trending. Here is Karma Studios, and I'm your favorite and your youngest content creator in your account. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If this is your first time, kindly click on the button, subscribe to our platform on YouTube, and don't forget to follow us on all the social media handles at Karma Studios. Your favorite and your youngest content creator. I'm finally out.